Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Luis, 25 Locs, man. I'm back with another video, guys. So look, man, this video is for those people who think that the hair is not growing. Stay to the end of this video and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna explain to you guys that your hair is growing little by little. Okay, so look, man, put my hair back. So look, this is what I want to show you guys. You see how short these three dread and these three are compared to the other one that I got on the top. So look, this is the reason. I told my barber, bro, I wanna have a low taper. You know, and then after a couple months, we jump from the low to the mid taper right here. And then I told him, bro, I wanna have a high taper to see how I look. So that's what happened, guys. And you see, then I found out that he was, I don't know what was happening, but my taper was getting higher, higher, and higher. So I was like, man, I don't want to look like that. You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna start growing my hair on the side, and I'm gonna have some dread right there. And so I remember that in this picture right here, somebody told me, bro, like, you look ugly as fuck. Like, go ahead and get you a taper, get you a line up. You feel me? And you gonna look fly and shit. And I said, bro, like, man, back up. I'm gonna get me a lineup, but I don't want no taper. I don't want no taper. I wanna have like all my hair. You feel me? Like, I don't want no taper. I don't want no mid taper, no low taper, no high taper. I don't want none of that. Only a shape up and a line up. So that's what I did. I started growing my hair. In this picture, you can see right here how short it was. Like, it was basically nothing. And then in this video that I dropped right here on my YouTube channel, you can go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna leave the link right here on the description, so you see how short it was when I show it to you guys how to get a real twist on the side. So it was basically like short for real. Now look how long it is, and I think I only got like only 7 months like with this hair. And look, guys, I think I only got like almost a year with my hair on the sides. You see how long it is. I think this might be like 6-7 inches in less than a year. So I don't know, guys, if you know how long this might be, let me know in the description. And another thing, guys, that I want to talk about, I don't know why this one is the longest. Like, look at this one. This is the longest right there. And then these two, I don't know why this one is shorter. Like, this is the shortest one. Like, I don't know, man, but this one is not growing like I want to. You see, like, between these three, this is the longest, this is the second, and this is the third. So I don't know what's going on with this, but I feel like my hair in this area right there grows so slow. That might be the reason, I don't know. So, and then in this side, the same thing. Like, this one is the shortest than the other one. Hold on. This one, the one in the middle, I don't know. But anyway, guys, so like, just if you go into the journey, if you wanna have dreadlocks, if you wanna have like long hair like me, you see what I'm saying? Just don't give up. Enjoy the journey. Like, just pay attention to your hair. Make videos. So if you make videos and take a picture, later on you're gonna see the difference between the day you took the picture and now. You see what I'm saying? So now I can say that my hair is growing. You see what I'm saying, guys? So anyway, guys, so just don't give up. Wash your hair, get you a real twist. You feel me? Like, get you some oil so your scalp don't get dry. You see what I'm saying? And just like, don't do too much with your hair. Just do the best thing. The key is to wait. Like, you gotta wait for your hair to grow. It's not gonna happen it's not gonna happen overnight. It's not gonna happen in 2 or 3 months. You have to wait. You have to go to the journey. You see? So my hair in general, I got like I say like 4 years. It's not longer than this, because I did some fucked up shit with my hair in the past that I never gonna do again. I got some blind, like I got it blind. You can still see it right here. Like in this one, you see how long it is right there, and on this one, you see. So that really was the worst decision that I made. Like that was what really make my hair, you see, almost break on the sides. So I don't even know if it was the product that I used back in the day in Dominican Republic. That shit messed my hair up. But anyway, so I'm not gonna do it again. I don't want to do that shit. It's gonna be black forever. I don't want color. I don't want no blonde, none of that. So guys, and another thing that I wanna tell you, if you really wanna know more about me, just go ahead and follow me on my IG, Luis25Locs. I'm taking new clients, so if you are in Louisville, Kentucky, just let me know if you need a haircut, if you want a retwist, if you want the crochet needlework. Just go ahead, send me a DM, just get in contact and let's do business. You see what I'm saying? So I'm the best in the city doing wigs. So if you wanna have like some wigs, like put your hair together, they're gonna look big and shit. You feel me? Like, just go ahead and let me know. I'ma tell you, you feel me, like how we're gonna do it and everything. Just let me know, man. Let's do business. You feel me? And another thing, guys, that I wanna tell you, like, I don't know if I should say this, but I'ma tell you anyway. Pay attention to the products that you wanna use on your hair. Like, it can damage your hair for life. You see what I'm saying? So that's what happened with me. Thanks God, I didn't cut it off, because when I did it, I had like this long right here when I did it, and I was like, man, I don't want to cut that shit off. Like, it took me a long time to grow this length, so I'm just gonna, it is what it is. But just go ahead, man, don't give up, keep going through the journey. What is my hair bang on, bro? That's right. So keep going to the journey. If you got any question, let me know right there in the description. You want focus stickers for, look at that. Let me know on the description right there, and I got you, man. Follow me on my IG, Luis25Locs. I'm your best barber, your best loctician. I don't know if I say it right, but anyway, guys, this motherfucker's long over there. Anyway, guys, I love you, man. Thank you for the love. Now let me know how this t-shirt look. This is my favorite t-shirt, my favorite color, blue. You see what I'm saying? You see what the friend said right there? Y'all let me know if you fuck with it. Dreadlocks, I got some videos on the way. Stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you guys later on why I haven't been posting. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. I love you, man. Thank you for the love. Luis25Locs. Look at the tattoo right there. The good look back. Y'all let me see. Game.